5 surprising foods good for liver regeneration. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Healthy Drops. In today's videos, we're going to talk about 5 surprising foods good for liver regeneration. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Why is there a constant emphasis on maintaining a healthy body? Your organs need to be continuously active to perform the bodily functions without any interruptions. To be able to do this, you need to take measures specific to them and make sure they are not deteriorating. Making healthy diet choices always proves beneficial, and it is no different when it comes to an important organ in your body, the liver. The human body is a complex machine. Just like if one part of any machine is unable to work efficiently or completely breaks down, even if one vital organ of the body is unable to perform its functions, it can lead to complications and problems in the body. The food we eat directly affects our whole body, including all our internal organs like the liver. A healthy, balanced diet along with regular exercise and quitting unhealthy lifestyle habits like smoking or drinking can help in keeping the body healthy overall. However, if you are diagnosed with a specific problem, you must change your diet accordingly. While some foods can aggravate the problem, others can help strengthen the organ and aid its functions. According to British Liver Trust, if you have a liver condition, it's important to understand how your liver is affected by the food you eat. The elements of a well-balanced diet suitable for most people, disease-specific dietary considerations, and special or therapeutic nutritional diets for those with more advanced liver disease. Responsible for over 500 functions in the body, liver produces bile, a digestive juice necessary for fat absorption into your blood. Glucose breaks down toxins and also helps to store necessary nutrients. Here are 5 food items that can aid in liver cleansing and allow it to function efficiently. Number 5. Fruits. Apples, grapes, and citrus fruits. Fill your fruit basket with apples, grapes, and citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, which are proven to be liver-friendly fruits. Consume grapes as it is, in the form of a grape juice, or supplement your diet with grape seed extracts to increase antioxidant levels in your body and protect your liver from toxins. Having apple slices releases toxins from your digestive tract, easing the functioning of your liver. Including citrus fruits provide your liver with enzymes that help in liver detoxification. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. Pave way for increased levels of glutathione, necessary for liver cleansing enzymes with consumption of vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprout. It also increases the production of glucosinolate, which helps to eliminate toxins from your body. Number 3. Olive oil. Improve your liver enzyme levels with olive oil and experience other health benefits that tag along with its consumption. Beginning of any liver disease is marked by fat accumulation. Including olive oil as a part of your diet is a wise choice, as it helps to maintain low levels of fat in the liver. Number 2. Beverages. Coffee and green tea. Your liver might be grateful for those morning cups of coffee or coffee breaks in the office, because studies reveal that coffee is an excellent choice to detoxify liver with its antioxidant properties. In addition, they also protect you from chronic liver diseases, thanks to its positive influences on liver enzymes. For tea lovers, switching to green tea may be promising, as it reduces overall fat content and keeps you at a safe distance from other signs of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. And at number 1, nuts. Opt for healthy snack options like nuts to improve the health of your liver. From sufficient amounts of antioxidants to unsaturated fatty acids, they are well equipped to protect your liver against NAFLD. Walnuts, almonds are 2 of the many options you can choose to snack away. Having said that, keep a check on the quantity, as they consist high amounts of calories. An important organ like liver needs your utmost care so that it carries out its activities as desired. It is advisable to seek medical help when you observe symptoms never experienced before, and keep handy health insurance plans as a precautionary step. But begin by incorporating these simple foods into your diet and witness significant and healthy results with respect to your liver. Role of liver in the digestive system. The health of our digestive system depends largely on the liver. Blood from the intestine and stomach passes through your liver. The function of the liver is to process the blood to create nutrients. It also metabolizes the drugs to ensure your body can easily use it. The liver also creates bile, helping to carry the waste out of the body. Common liver diseases. Your diet must include certain food to keep liver healthy, or you may develop serious liver diseases. Some of the common liver issues are listed below. Hepatitis. It is a type of viral infection that leads to compromised liver. It results in damages and inflammation. It is a contagious disease, but you can reduce the risk of contracting it with proper vaccination. Fatty liver. This condition is a result of fat buildup in your liver. If it is not treated timely, the condition can lead to liver failure and cirrhosis. You can manage fatty liver with proper liver cleansing, food, and changes in lifestyle. Liver cancer. Liver cancer can be a result of cancer spreading from any other area of the body or other untreated liver conditions. Hepatocellular carcinoma is a common form of liver cancer which may form as a tumor or small cancer spots. That's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.